how to make your friends list private on Facebook. So all you have to do is to go here to your Facebook application and it will lead you to your homepage, right? Now, the next thing that you want to do is on the bottom part, you'll see 6 different options there. But I want you to tap on your menu here, the 3 dash lines there, and it will lead you to your menu section. Now, the next thing that you want to do is to scroll all the way down up until you see settings and privacy and go to settings. Under settings, what I want you to do next is to scroll all the way here up until you see the audience and visibility section and tap on how people find and contact you. Now here you will see 5 different options. I want you to look for who can see your friends list here, and as you can see here it's actually set on public. So since we want to set it on private, then all you have to do is to tap on more here and to tap on only me. And basically the only person who can see your friends list from now on is you. And that is how you make your friends list private on Facebook. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.